Let's install Selenium in 3 steps. Step 1. Download and install Java GTK from the official site. I provided a link in the description below. Accept license agreement and choose the file according to your operating system. Once the .exe is installed, we can check if the Java is correctly installed. Using the command prompt, we can simply type on command prompt Java -version, and the correct version will appear if the installation is successful. Step 2. Download and install Eclipse. From the official site, they also provided the link in the description. Once downloaded, run the .exe. Choose the Eclipse installer. In our case, it will be Eclipse for Java developers. Once installed, let's just simply choose your workspace. Let's start by creating a new Java project and give it a name. Let's create a package and also give it a name. And finally, let's create a class. Step 3. Download Selenium WebDriver files. In our case, it's going to be Java. Let's save the files. And unzip them. Let's include the libraries that we just downloaded in our project. From build path, configure build path, class path, and let's add the external jars. Let's add the combined one and the files jars that are under the file libs. Let's add all of them. Apply and close. Our libraries are correctly added to the project. Now our Selenium is installed. Let's do a quick test. So I'm simply going to open the Firefox browser and open a Facebook page. Let's start by downloading the Mozilla WebDriver from the link that I provided in the description. So I'm going to type a simple code by including the path of the WebDriver. I'm simply going to open the Firefox web browser and open the Facebook page, for example. Let's save and run. The test is okay. Now the Selenium is correctly installed and you can start creating your tests.